Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for tuning in. If you are new in this channel, please view this video, like, share and subscribe. If you are coming here for the first time, please press onto that notification bell as well. So guys, I'm in the village. This is an African village, and wish to show you. So here is the garden, the garden of bananas. I have some kales here. Guys, it's only that this time it is really dry. There are no rains. Though it is dry, guys, but it is evergreen. As you can see, the plantations are not that dry. So I'm here today. So I was just showing you this garden, but what I'm going to do, I just want to go and make for you some fresh silver fish from Lake Victoria. That is Omena. So keep tuned as we cook. So guys, this is fresh silver fish from the lake. It is soft. Guys, you can see how soft it is. It looks so soft. It has not been dried. It's just direct from the water, and it's just been aired for just for a few minutes. So guys, I'm going to make a stew of this omena, and it's very tasty. So guys, keep tuned and see how we are going. So this is a hot pan. Just add oil to it. Additionally, we are going to use spring onions, and I'm using a called Zico stove for this. Remember, we are at the village. You can even see the floor. This is the floor of the kitchen. So this is how traditional African traditional kitchens looks like. So here I am. I'll add my spring onions. Yes, for sure, love the aroma of spring onions. It makes food. It makes food taste. Make sure the onions cooks well. Hey, at this stage, it has a nice aroma, guys. Whoa, it's lunchtime in the village. Whoa. Keep chewing. Tomatoes. Woo. My tomatoes. Ready to make silverfish. Fresh from the lake. Lake Victoria. Guys, keep tuned and see what's going to happen. Now, we just add salt to it. So as you can see, I'm still making a paste. Cooking my onions and my tomatoes for my fresh silverfish omena. If you see any person coming from the lake in Africa, be it West Africa, be it Central Africa, if they see this kind of recipe, guys, I'm telling you, ooh, you try it. If at all you're not coming from the lake, watch this video and try this. Yes, you can see the stew. So we're adding some water now to make the stew. You don't put much of it, guys. The reason why we add water before is that because this silverfish is just too soft. Remember, it is fresh, so we just have to let the water boil first, the stew. So I'm just going to cover it. I'm going to cover it and let the water boil. So is when I'll put this silverfish in. We have to boil the silverfish, and by boiling this silverfish, you have to put it the last minute, and you have to give it little time as possible, but it has to cook well. Now the water is ready, guys. You can see how it's bubbling. Now this is the right time to put the silverfish, the fresh silverfish, to boil. And guys, because it is soft, it's not going to boil for so long. Just about 20 minutes with this kind of heat is just enough. This, after putting it in this sauce, now you cover it and give it time now to cook. You don't need to stir more often, because the more you stir, the more it breaks. So keep tuned, guys. At least 10 minutes are over, guys. You can see, look at my silverfish, fresh stewed silverfish, looking so yummy. So just added some little salt just to taste. So guys, please try this video, try this recipe. It's a nice one. Those who are coming from Lake regions, you know. Those who are not coming from there, please try it out. It's so nice. So keep tuned, guys. Now the silverfish is ready. You can do it in two ways. So I'm just serving this the way it is. Some people do not like milk. And the other one which is left in the pan, I'm just going to add some fresh milk to it, so that it is very nice when it has milk. But for those who do not take milk, you can have it the way it is. This is my stewed fresh silverfish. Please view this video, share, like, and subscribe. So it's not yet. I'm going to serve it with some brown ugali, and I'm also going to give you another version of the milk one, the ones which the stew which has milk. So keep tuned. So guys, you can just see how this fresh silverfish from Lake Victoria is cooked. See how yummy it looks. So guys, now this is the time to add some milk to it. Just so how appetizing it looks. So this is fresh milk guys. So you can either add fresh milk or skimmed milk, whichever you prefer. Or some people put some sour milk, whichever you prefer, but this is it. Keep tuned. Putting milk, you put milk at the last minute and you let it boil for just something like 2 minutes. Then you take it out and serve it. Also, there's a point that I'm just leaving out, that the old people, ancient people, never used to use tomatoes. So you just use spring onions and natural original ghee or traditional ghee, and then that's all. Just look. So let me just show you how this is fresh. So I'll just let it boil for 2 to 3 minutes. So guys, this is the final product of fresh silverfish from Lake Victoria. So this is one which has milk. You can see how yummy, amazing it is. So this is the one without milk. And guys, if you have it with brown ugali, I also have some brown ugali besides it. So please just comment down there and tell me which one you'll prefer. Would you prefer silverfish fresh with the milk or this? So keep tuned. Give my video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Let's meet on another video.